Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to show you how you can integrate your Dropbox with your ClickUp account or ClickUp workspace to transfer files, for example, from your Dropbox to your tasks and to-do lists and your workspace on ClickUp. So let us get started right away, guys. It is very simple. You can integrate both Dropbox as well as ClickUp by heading over to your ClickUp account and by clicking on that profile icon top right and by selecting settings here. What you want to do next, guys, is pay attention to the panel on the left hand side and head over to the App Center. And here we'll see a list of all featured apps that may be connected with your ClickUp account. You may go through these categories here on the left hand side, for example, or if you already see Dropbox here amongst the featured applications, you may access it directly by clicking on it. And after that, simply click on Connect here to connect your both accounts. After that, give ClickUp the permission to connect with Dropbox. So click on Allow if you like. And that's it. As you can see, we're done. Both accounts have been connected. And that's it. Now Dropbox have been integrated with your ClickUp account. So click on Done here. And here you see the associated accounts. You can connect more accounts on Dropbox, for instance, by clicking on that button here. And that should do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.